March 1888, a monstrous snowstorm paralyzed the northeastern United States. Cities like New York and Boston were buried under over 50 inches of snow. Fierce winds created drifts as high as rooftops, trapping people indoors for days. Trains halted, telegraph lines snapped, and chaos reigned. More than 400 lives were lost in one of the deadliest blizzards in American history. Streets became ghost towns, and rescue efforts were nearly impossible. The Great Blizzard of 1888 wasn't just a storm, it was a whiteout catastrophe that reshaped how cities prepared for extreme weather. A chilling reminder of nature's raw power. Thanks for subscribing to our channel for more knowledge and entertainment.